Today we are going to learn how to use quick analysis tool in Excel. And sorry for my voice, I have some kind of flu. This is the Excel learning course. I have created a list, complete playlist. And we have added 26 lectures already, and today we are going to add our 27 lecture. If you have not gone through this complete list, you can check it in my YouTube channel. And please do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let's get back to Excel. So this is the data. How to use quick analysis tool. This is very simple to do. You are just going to select the range of the data which you want to analyze through quick analysis tool. So the first step is to select the data range. I want to select this range, and when you select the range, you would get this sign which reads like, when you put your cursor on it, this will show quick analysis tool. Let me make it some visible. So this is the quick analysis tool sign. When you click on this, you will get this pop-up option. Here we have a menu, formatting, charts, totals, tables, and spark lines. So if you want to apply data bars to the selected range of data, you can select data bars, or you can change the colors of the cells or the range, then can change the icons, or you can apply conditional formatting, and so on. And then there are charts. You can apply or create charts. Then totals, you can apply some functions like sum, average, count, total, running, and sum, and etc. Then can convert this data into a table like this, like this, like this, and so on. So this is how we use quick analysis tool in Excel. I hope you like this video. If this video adds some value in your knowledge, then please do not forget to press the like button and subscribe to my channel.